Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman and I'm just at Guano Point at the Grand Canyon in Arizona, America. Absolutely astounding. And we're about 4,000 feet above the Colorado River, which is right at the bottom. Absolutely phenomenal. This is where I am. And I'm just going to walk around a tiny bit for another spectacular view. Over here. There we go. And here you can see the Colorado River as well. Down below, that's it there. And also down there, that's the Colorado River as well. You can see where it's worn its way through from up there, which looks even higher than here. Look, that stunning red rock has been eroded by the water. That other rock looks almost blue. Beautiful colours, stunning. Absolutely stunning. And I hope you like that. If you did, please do like and subscribe. It's very much appreciated. And one just quick flash past. There we go. Lovely. Oh look, there's some cacti. A lot of Joshua trees around here. They seem to do well, but yep, that there you go. A few cacti. And a tree. This tree's doing quite well there.